Wow, Marco, we're here on the Siemens stand at EMO 2023. It's a huge booth, but before we talk about what's happening right now on the stand, Siemens has a long and storied history and a huge amount of expertise.
Yes, of course, Rowan. So we have more than 60-year experience in the machine tool market, providing consistent and end-to-end solution for all machining technologies.
Yeah, absolutely.
And not only in the physical world, but also in the virtual world.
And that's what I'd like to talk about. I mean, people think that Siemens might just be the logo you see on your machine control or in the back of the machine cabinet and the drives and the amplifiers. Is that all you guys do?
Yeah, of course, our CNC and drive are the best on the market for the machine tools, but we also provide software solution for resource management, quality management, performance management, and service and maintenance.
And we're going to go into that a little bit later about the whole software portfolio.
Yeah.
But looking at the booth right now, I mean, this must have taken a long time to build, right?
Yeah, 1,100 square meter, organized in two big areas. One is oriented for the needs of the machine user, tooling and part manufacturing, and the other area oriented for the machine builder. It's about engineering and automation components.
Absolutely. So there's a lot going on. But even with a booth this big, it takes a lot of time and energy and cost and investment to build something like this. There must have been a single idea, some common thread running through it that you've thought about?
Yeah, it's about, this year, it's everything about sustainability and how can we save resources in manufacturing with machine tools. So, and we have an example based on an electric car, 5 different components that we will machines. So it's about a knuckle, a rim, it's a battery housing, it's the mold of the hood of the cars, and finally the starter of the electric motors.
Absolutely. So talking about absolutely brand new manufacturing of EV cars is so important nowadays. And with such a big stand, you've got over 40 exhibits. It would take a long time to get around all of these. So what are the highlights for visitors if they were coming here today?
Let's just mention the 3 of them. So we have a new hardware for the SINUMERIK 828 CNC that make it more modular than before. We have for the SINUMERIK ONE new software with new function and functionalities for the energy saving and for the turning technologies. And the most important one, we have Machinum, our software portfolio for the machine tool industry.
Thank you, Marco, and that's Siemens, not just a machine control provider, but working towards a sustainable future with their software and solutions.